Hey everyone, so I'll be talking about Upfront. We're a real estate first financial platform built for brokerages and their agents. Before we go deep into real estate, let's step out for a second. If you're in trucking, manufacturing, or even a class action attorney, when you have an invoice due, you can do something called invoice factoring, which allows you to get liquidity from the work that you've already created. So instead of waiting on that 30, 60, 90-day invoice to get paid, you can actually exercise invoice factoring. Well, in real estate, that's not the case. In real estate, you're either dealing with a loan shark style company, such as one of the, if you know about what a commission advance is, charging ridiculously high rates as high as 30%, you have to go to your broker and ask them to please provide you liquidity on a deal that you're waiting to get paid on, or you're left to individually manage your business expenses with consumer products. Needless to say, commission payments are broken. Agents are waiting across the US up to 90 days to get paid. And if they want to accelerate that or leverage another form of liquidity, they're paying fees as high as 10 to 30% per transaction. My co-founder and I, Mook, want to bring modern finance to real estate. Mook is Harvard graduate. At 17, started his own med tech company that he sold to Eric Schmidt from Google. And the idea for Upfront came from him winning the HBS competition, the Harvard Business School pitch competition, after he founded a brokerage at 18 in Boston. That's where I met him as an advisor. I'm a three-time startup executive. Between us both, we've had 5 exits, and former realtor, and I've led growth at great companies such as Trulia, Real Scout, and others. And our investors include fantastic companies such as Reach, Equity Angels, Rock, and Diagram. And we're here to really, make commissions great again. It's a horrible experience to wait 90 days. It's horrible to pay 30%. So what we're going to do is bring that liquidity into the agent experience within 5 minutes with fees as low as 5%. So the way that it works is we underwrite the business, not your personal finances. We work in the brokerage, unlike a predatory company that's outside. For the brokerage, we're bringing you recruitment and retention value and a financially lucrative solution. And for the agents and teams out there, this is not for everyone. This is for a regular full-time agent who's doing business and to solve the cash flow with super low fees that's up to 100% tax deductible that's based on your production, not your personal data. So it's a full suite of services of financial tools within the brokerage. We can embed into any tech stack that the broker has. We're all API driven. And for the agent, yes, you're getting your earned commission access, what you used to be called a commission advance. We can also funnel your funds into savings accounts and other methods of building wealth. And then we also provide wealth training workshops and income and expense tracking as well. So where does Upfront sit? Well, if you want to just think of the world of credit, at the far bottom in usury rates where you're just surviving are these predatory commission advance companies. And as you work way up to the right, they're products that are made for real estate and how a 1099 professional works in real estate, where paychecks don't come on the 15th and 30th, because even an Uber driver gets paid regularly, not in real estate. So what we're doing is the bottom line. There's no cost to the brokerage. It's net new revenue while saving your agents up to 3 times their costs. We're live and available across the US. We've already done over $350,000 of transactions just the last quarter. We're live and there's exclusive market opportunities available. And if you want to hit that QR code, you can answer a couple of questions and we can do a pro forma how it can impact your business. And we'd love to talk. Thank you so much.